take a photo. Avengers.
Feet and legs inside the vehicle. And since your children have bravely decided to join you in the frigid, oxygenless vacuum of space, please supervise them. After Stark envisions it, you will all save the world. Bear in mind, the hypersonic is a high-speed vehicle. Be prepared for loud noises, sharp turns.
Let's go. 6. Set that 2.
That's it. Right there. That's it.
Initiating launch in 3, 2,
Shooting testing.
No more, please. No more. They should give a warning about this.
I don't want this.
Oh no, I didn't expect this.
I don't know something.
No more, please.
Oh my god. Oh. That's why they're screaming?
Yeah,
I thought it's a movie.
3D, you said. Look.
Oh, start.